the control panel on the 4800 XY machine. At the top we have a control power switch to turn off the control power. We have a latch drill motor run, start and stop. Machining head motor, start and stop. Down here we have the template guide plunge. This is the template guide that's around the cutter bit. When we push that, it comes down so we can follow a template. The door light plunge bit, when this is lit, the door light bit comes down and plunges through the door so we can cut. Edge prep cycle start. This starts the faceplate router cycle and the latch drill. And this selection switch here decides whether we're going to do just a latch drill, a faceplate, or both. On the bottom we have width in, so we can push the width in button to bring the width in. Width out moves it out. If we want to set for a 3.0 door, I can bring that in, set it about 3.0, and then feed the door in. Door clamp, which clamps the door into place, and the template clamp, which clamps a template that you may or may not use to cut the light in the door. To the right of the control panel is the X travel stop. When we push that down, then that drops the stop so that we can go in the X direction, which is left to right, and stop at specific locations. Raising it up allows us to bypass the stops. We have the X and Y axis locks. When we lock the X direction, it will not go side to side. It'll only go front to back. And when we lock the Y motion and not the X, then it'll only go left and right and not front to back. Template guide plunge. When I push the template guide button, the template follower goes down. I'm going to retract it again and push it down again. The door light bit plunge. You can see the door light assembly come down, plunges a bit through the door. When we're done with the cutting, we can retract it, retract the template follower, and we're done. The emergency stop button is located to the right of the control panel. At any point when you push the red button, it will cancel all the machine functions, unlock the ways, and retract the bit.